Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited today. So, I don't know if you guys have seen it. There's been a GIF of a Evo cruising down the street, rolling animation, shooting flames with some camera wheels. It was really sick. I've looked everywhere for it. I finally commented on enough photography and videography pages that someone was actually able to link to me the guy who did the original artwork. His name is Spray Patrick, right here. Check him out on Instagram. So I reached out to him. I asked him if he could do a rolling animation of my GTR. I've been wanting one for a long time. I thought it'd be sweet to have, and I was right. So I haven't seen the full video yet. I have only seen like screenshots of what he's done. So I figured whenever we get to it, I'm actually going to watch it live with you guys. That way you can get my actual reaction. I'm super excited. He also gave me a time lapse, so we're going to kind of go over what he did with it. Let's check it out. So I sent Spray Patrick a picture of my car that I took in a park with the sunrise one morning. It was really pretty. Absolutely beautiful day. It's right here. Check it out. And then I guess it had to be a certain resolution. It had to be big enough for him to do this with. So I guess he blows it up and makes a vector out of it. So I'm going to start the animation now. So there's a picture. You can see him starting to vector it. What he's going to do is just draw the outline with black. And then I guess how it works is fill it in with the main color, which would be white, black for the black, and then like a grayish color for the kind of depict the shadows. So as you can see him going around all the detail here. It's so crazy. Getting in there, side skirts now. So what he's doing is he's flicking back and forth to the original so he can see exactly where to mark and what color it is, I imagine. I've never actually made a vector. I heard it's a pain in the butt, and that's why whenever he charged me what he did, I didn't get upset about it because it's a lot of work, and this dude's an artist. So I had to respect that and absolutely had to pay what he was asking. So far, like I said, I've only seen screenshots, but I'm super excited. So right here you can see him filling in with white. Then I asked him to make the hood look carbon fiber because eventually my hood will be carbon fiber. Now he's doing the reflections on the hood. So he's going to do that in a lighter gray to make it look like reflections. You can see the light, or you can see the gray looking like shadows here. Man, it's so tedious. And this is sped up. I have no idea how many times, but it's a lot of work, as you can see. Fill in the windows, pretty cool reflections, some highlights. He does a really good job of making it look like it's a 3D thing. That's incredible. I need to get on my Photoshop and see if I can kind of imitate this stuff. Oh, blurring on the wheels. That's nice. I didn't notice that when I looked at the screenshot. Oh, you can still see the red from the spoke. And the TE37, pretty sick. So I'm not knocking him. He has the my blinkers are on, like the fog lights. Not a big deal. I think it actually looks pretty good like that. Oh, he even added my Godzilla and Tux Instagram on my quarter glass back there. That's pretty sweet. Man, it's so crazy. Just blurring the wheels like that really makes it look like it's rolling already. So I think what he did here is he's doing these vertical lines, and he's gonna sync it up with the frame rate to where it makes it look like the lines are moving across the front of the car and on the glass and stuff, and then right here as well with the wheel highlights to make them look like they're actually rotating. I'm assuming it's on certain frames. Oh, it's coming together. It looks so freaking awesome. That is crazy. Okay, yeah, here come the highlights to give the effect that the lights are passing over the top of the car. So it's going to be like highlights every couple inches, and then he'll sequence them to make them look like they're moving. That is so dope. Oh, this is worth every penny. I can't wait to see the footage. I am super excited. I can't stop smiling. I've been waiting for like 3 or 4 days for me. I've been waiting for like 3 or 4 days to get it done. I'm super excited. He told me it was going to be like 5 days, so he got it done faster than he said he would. And I'm happy. I'm really happy with the results so far. You guys are going to see Import Nation and all the other car pages, the JDM pages, Instagrams be flooded with this stuff, man. This I'm gonna post this thing everywhere. I can't wait. Really tedious work. You can see all the different, maybe they're layers. Maybe that's how it's going. There's layers. Jeez. I was doing the highlights on the top of the hood there. I definitely need to get on this. If I could add this to my skills here, that'd be sick. Alright, let's watch the video. I am super stoked. We're gonna go full screen for this. Yo! Dude, that's awesome. Oh, look at Godzilla in the back. Oh, that is so freaking sweet. Godzilla's breathing fire in the back, his arms moving. You can see the cityscape passing by. All with the music. It really looks like it's rolling. That is sick. Oh, man. That is so awesome. It's I guess it turned out it's gonna be a minute long. It's a minute long. That is freaking sweet. So this is gonna be my new end screen for all my videos. That's it. It's awesome. Dude, Spray Patrick, thank you so much. If you guys get a chance, go reach out to him. Hit him up on Instagram. In his bio, he's got an email address. DM him an email, whatever you gotta do. Contact this dude and tell him that Godzilla in a Tux sent you. It's really awesome. I'm gonna put this video on like a 10-minute loop after this just to let it keep playing. That's how much I like it. So I appreciate it, guys. Also, if you haven't already, go follow me on Instagram. Godzilla in a Tux, right here. Check it out. I have a Facebook page as well. Check it out. And good news is I'm going to be working with Import Nation for the future. So I'm going to be an admin on there. I'll be posting my own pictures, some of my videos, if they're relevant, obviously. Anything JDM. If you haven't seen their page, Import Nation's got like 255,000 members already. Check them out on Facebook. This is what it looks like. And that's going to wrap it up today. All right, guys. Like, comment, and I'll see you next time. Appreciate you watching.